So this could be an extremely volatile week in the stock market. Here's 3 things you don't want to miss in the next 5 days. On Monday, October 13th, all eyes are on the fallout from President Trump's new 100% tariffs on Chinese imports, set to take effect November 1st. The sweeping move targets nearly all goods coming from China, escalating tensions between the world's 2 largest economies and reviving fears of a global slowdown. The tariffs are expected to hit sectors like tech, semiconductors, and industrials the hardest, given their deep supply chain exposure. Markets sold off sharply after the announcement, and the volatility index spiked over 30% on Friday. If China retaliates with its own export restrictions, particularly on rare earths or critical components, it could cause significant market volatility throughout the week. Next, earnings season kicks off in full force this week. On Tuesday, October 14th, we'll hear from major players including Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, and Johnson & Johnson, a lineup spanning finance and healthcare. For the big banks, investors will be looking at loan growth, trading activity, and consumer credit trends to gauge how the Fed's recent rate cut is affecting profitability. Meanwhile, Johnson & Johnson will offer insight into global healthcare demand and how rising costs are impacting margins. Finally, on Thursday, October 16th, the September CPI report will deliver a key update on inflation. Economists expect headline inflation to rise about 0.3% month-over-month, keeping annual inflation around 2.9%. A cooler print could support further Fed easing and spark a relief rally in rate-sensitive sectors, while a hotter number might push yields higher and reignite volatility across equities. If you want to see what stocks we think are best positioned heading into earnings season, we've put together a free list of our top 10 stocks for October 2025. Comment the word stocks, and I'll DM it to you.